What is the scientific name for the domestic cat? Felis catus. How many lives are cats said to have in folklore? 9. What do you call a group of cats? A clouder. What is a baby cat called? Kitten. True or false? Cats always land on their feet. True, due to their writing reflex. Which sense is especially well developed in cats? Vision, smell, or hearing? Hearing. What is the average lifespan of an indoor cat? About 12 to 15 years. Which breed of cat is known for its naturally short or absent tail? Manx. What term describes a cat with a striped pattern? Tabby. What behavior is indicated when a cat knits with its paws? It usually shows contentment, affection, or marks its territory. Which internet famous cat is known for its permanently grumpy expression? Grumpy cat. What does a cat's purr typically indicate? Contentment or relaxation. It can also serve as self-soothing. Are cats considered carnivorous, herbivorous, or omnivorous? Obligate carnivorous. What special organ do cats use to detect scents and pheromones? The vomeronasal Jacobson's organ. What are the dark markings on a Siamese cat called? Points commonly seen in dark shades like chocolate, blue, or seal. Which part of a cat's body contains more bones than that of a human? The spine. Cats have more vertebra. What might a flicking tail indicate about a cat's mood? It can indicate irritation, focus, or agitation. True or false? Cats can be trained to use a litter box. Answer true. What is primary function of a cat's whisker? To sense their environment and gauge space. Which ancient Egyptian goddess is often depicted with a cat's head? Bastet. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.